for Berry Science Lab. And today we are going to do the polygon identification for a sphere. Now, let me remind you of what a sphere looks like. If your geometry or math teacher introduces you to a sphere, this is what they would draw it like. Yeah, and sometimes you have this on the back too. Remember the dotted lines. Without them, it's the circle, but still. So this is what a sphere looks like. You would say this is what it looks like in every dimension, but this is only geometry. Or math if you like. Any way you can put it. But, you have two things that it depends on. In 2D, you use area and perimeter. Don't get confused. But in 3D, you use the surface area and the volume. Now, the surface area is 4 pi r squared, while the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Well, to some shape in topology. A sphere can be equal to any given known polygon. Let's say a square for this instance. So a sphere is homeomorphic to a square. Now we can make a square into a sphere. If you don't believe that, everything in topology is rubber, so we're not working with paper because paper has some disability that rubber doesn't have. The structure of the twists look like this. A, B, B inverse, you should know what minus 1 means. A inverse. Now, let's imagine we can bend the square into a flat line. What would it look like? Okay, so now I go to make points that I will draw on my huge line segment right here. Huge line, whatever. So, let's symbolize that by diagonal lines. So I go clockwise right here. This makes the second part. The third one. And we already have our fourth one. And it's closed off. Okay. So, let's assume that this thing, I have to put it here. So let's symbolize this one is A. So this can be twist A. And we can let's assume this can be symbolized in twist B. If you were to make this into a flat line, it would be like that. When you put it in a line segment, it becomes easier. So if you were to bend this part, it would be the opposite way. Now you see why this is called the inverse, because it's going the opposite way in point B. So we can call it B inverse, but I accidentally drew the inverse on the square. We're not supposed to put it there. And finally, if B minus 1 goes the opposite direction as B, then A minus 1 goes the opposite direction as A. This means no twist, but this is going the opposite direction. So this means one twist. And this means no twist too, since it's going the same direction as A. And universe is going the same way, and that's one twist too. So, yeah, the Taurus. And thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to Barry's Science Lab for more videos. And my book is coming out. You can see this beautiful cover on the top of the whiteboard.